Hello, Taurus. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Glad to have you. All right, Taurus, this is a love reading for you. So let's get into it. Let's see who's still thinking of you, who's coming your way. Is there new love coming into your life? And maybe your existing lover person now, how they feel about you and the relationship or the marriage. Let's see what we have here. All right. You're so strong. All right, Taurus. Seems like things are looking great with you and your person on how they feel about you, Taurus. Overall feeling here, they're very confident about you and the relationship. There is playfulness and romance here, harmony here. Um, but Taurus, there is a message. There's a message coming from this person. I don't know what this message is at this time, so let's dig in a little deeper, see if we can find out what is this message of. I can't wait for you. Okay. All right, Taurus. There's some healing energy that your person needs to work on here, and they're ignoring it. They're not taking action on this healing energy. On the outside, looking in, everything looks great, but there's something bothering your person, and it seems like that's where this message is going to come in. They're not at fail. They're not taking action on working on some kind of emotion here. No, this love. I don't really want to say this, Taurus, but it looks like the joy and contentment that they show on the outside is not really how they feel. Mm. Mm. And for those of you that are separated or there was a breakup, you might already know this. But if you don't, that might be one of the reasons of the separation and the breakup. Mm. Okay. So some of the blockage here, things that are getting in the way here, is that this person is not taking time to emotionally exhale. Hmm. They're ignoring the, that they're emotionally exhausted. They're ignoring it. They're ignoring that things are falling apart, um, either in their mind, their thoughts, or in their life. Seems like they have this persona that they are trying to uphold or show to the world, but things seem like behind the scenes they're in pieces. Yeah, they're ignoring the windfall of emotions that they're having, Taurus, and you're not seeing it because they have this joyful, content persona that they show the world. That might be the message that is coming out here. What a difference. Ah. Taurus, this person feels like if they take a leap of faith and let you know how they truly feel, that you will be so angry with them. I hear that you will say, you waste my time. Maybe some of you are already saying it. I hear you waste my time. Yeah. They know that you envision them as loving couple, the love of my life. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. They vision you as the caregiver, the loving one, and they don't want to bring out whatever that they have not healed, the energy that they really are holding inside. Well, okay. For some of you, this is for some of you, this person has got into this relationship or this marriage for the wrong reason. All right, Taurus. I feel that if you are separated or there is a breakup, you might have dodged a bullet here, because this person is not who they seem. Spirit wants you to establish a strong and firm foundation for yourself, Taurus. No matter what happens or what comes about, you know. Mm. Spirit wants to encourage you to break free of any negative thoughts or low vibration. Okay. Hmm. Taurus, when you find out how this person really feels, how they're really moving in life, um, anything that they say, you're not going to want to hear it. You're going to realize that this person was not truly who they say that they were or are. And they're going to feel so ashamed that they're not going to reach out. Mm. Mm. But for some reason, they're not going to want to move on because they feel comfortable in the groove that they have made with you. And Taurus, they're going to expect you to just accept it. Like for some of you have been accepting it already. That's for some of you. Like I said, if there was a separation or a breakup, you dodged a bullet. But this person's going to want to keep putting these negative moves on you and expecting you to just take it once you find out the real them. Hmm. Hmm. Taurus, they're going to want to know, is it over? Once you find out, once they relay this message to you, they're going to want to know, is it over? A lot of them are still there for the sexual desire also. Yeah, sex with you. But they bring a lot of drama to us. If you say, no, it's not over, they're just going to keep doing what they're doing. Nothing's going to change because they don't feel it, you know. They're going to try to come to you with some sympathy. Because they're comfortable with you and where they're at. If you guys are still in a relationship, they're scared of rejection, Taurus. All right. Okay. All right. 20 is the angel number, Taurus. You relate to others on an almost cosmic level. You are dedicated to building harmonious relationships of all kinds, Taurus. You have the ability to persuade others to your point of view by using gentle means. Okay. All right. Taurus, listen to your heart and embrace the wounds of whatever happens. Remember, you once dreamed and made things come true in your life. Remember, you were once a warrior and you fought the good fight for your own self. Okay? You are still indeed a warrior. So don't back down. Fight for you, Taurus. If anything, if you don't want to fight for the relationship, the marriage anymore, fight for you. Okay. A lot came out, but we'll go ahead and take this one. All right, Taurus, responsibility. You are aware of the power of your thoughts and the amount of love you express. So don't let anybody take that from you. All right, Taurus, that's all I have for you at this time. I hope you're able to get something out of this message. I hope it helped you some shape, form, or fashion. And happy feelings, Taurus.